back to Crocs and Socks. It's Kenny. I'm out here this morning trying to beat this rain. Turn you around. See those dark skies right there? We got some rain coming in. It's supposed to rain. It's Saturday today. It's supposed to rain late this afternoon a lot, and there's already some on the radar, so I got to get to mowing. Hadn't had to mow in a couple weeks. Grass kind of slowed down a little bit, but it needs a little freshening up, tightening up. It's a little scraggly. So this is what we're going to be using today. I'll turn you around here and show you. It's my John Deere 730M. It's a high capacity deck, 54-inch cut. It's really perfect for what we do here. I cut the front acre usually, and around the trees and stuff in the back. That's what we use this mower for. And then I use the bush hog and the tractor to keep the back couple acres cut. It's a grass cutting machine. I'll get you some shots of it cutting. It's about 3 years old, I believe, and got about a little over 50-60 hours on it, about 55 hours on it, I think. So I'm gonna introduce y'all to our new little cat right here. This is Rain. Hey Rain, say hey Rain. So if y'all watched any of our videos, you know we lost Willow. We had Willow and Jumanji, and poor little Willow, something happened to her. We're not gonna go into all that. It's just, I guess, part of having cats and animals outside that roam free like that. Anyway, we got Rain to replace her, so Jumanji'd have a little friend. So anyway, and we got some other projects to do. I'm gonna turn y'all see all this stuff out here. The stuff out here in the yard. That's all got to be picked up. That's where we had the little small ducks out in the yard. Well, had their little temporary yard set up where Mandy could come put them out there. We got them over here now, and she's got a tarp kind of set up temporary also. I know it looks kind of janky, but we're trying to get all prepared to build that new coop. And so right now everything is just temporary, so it's not going to look like this in the future. We got more ducks and chickens and all that stuff than we can handle right now in the size of coop that we're in, so we're going to hurry up and try to get that coop built as soon as possible. So we come out, we let the chickens out here this morning. You saw at the beginning of the video, and I opened that little fence up right there. That keeps the ducks separated from the chickens. Now these small ducks, these three small ones in here, they're still separate. They're still separated by this little fence here. But during the day, we try to let the chickens and the ducks mix in a little bit. So anyway, we're gonna get started mowing. Get a little mowing done, and then I got to come out here. It's been a day or so since we cleaned these little pools out. Got to get those pumped out and cleaned out. Try to show you how we do that, and see if we can beat this rain. All right, y'all. So that's the front acre cut. John Deere zero turn makes quick work of it. It's a 24 horsepower Kawasaki, I believe. I have to look it up to make sure. It's a grass cutting machine. It does a really good job. If you have looked at it or debating on getting a mower, that's kind of a mid-grade between a full-blown commercial diesel that John Deere makes, and it's way heavier duty than the residential model you would buy at, like, let's say Home Depot or Lowe's or something. So anyway, if you're noticing some of this little stuff in the yard, I still gotta do my weed eating. This little stuff like this, I was trying to blow and cut up stalks, stuff like this. That's, I don't know if we want to pass while we're out here, but it gets everywhere. But we are in cane field country, and they are grinding sugar cane right now. So as the trucks pass, it blows out of the trucks. It's just clippings and stuff from the sugar cane. There ain't a whole lot I can do about it. I just try to cut it up as much as I can, and then it eventually goes away. So, all right, let me get some weed eating done. Well, y'all, I think that's just about gonna do it for today. Got it all cut. Beat that rain. Some clouds. They get a little dark at times, and then it clears up at times. I don't think it knows what it wants to do, but I think by this afternoon it's supposed to today and tomorrow is like 60 today and 50 tomorrow. So we need a good soaking rain. It's pretty dry. It's rained the last couple days, just a couple minutes, a little shower here or there, but we need a good all day soaking. We planted those trees and stuff in the back. That's another video. Need to get them watered good. Mandy's been back there cleaning up with the ducks and emptying their ponds and all that. I was going to show you that, but she's already knocked it out while I was weed eating and stuff, so maybe on another video. But anyway, I hope that gave you a good little look at the John Deere 790. If you're considering that kind of mower, it's a new zero turn. That's I'm sorry, not John Deere 790, the 730M. John Deere 730M. 790 is my tractor. But the 730M is a grass cutting machine. Never had it bogged down. It doesn't check up, and it can mow faster than I can mow here on my property. So it's everything I needed to do. Anyway, thank y'all for watching Crocs and Socks. It was just a little video today on a Saturday, knocking out a couple little chores around here, doing some grass cutting and stuff. Catch y'all on the next one.